Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog guys, we have another product from GODOX. So last vlog we did a vlog regarding GODOX microphone, but today's vlog we have again a GODOX product. Again, this is a LED lights and it's a new type of LED lights from the GODOX. Again, this is the GODOX FH50R or flexible handheld. That's why FH, flexible handheld 50R. So I believe this is 50 like 50 watts. That's why or 50 size rectangle. R is rectangle. No, R is square. I think it's square. I'm not sure. But check nyo na lang. So again, this is our product for today, the Godox FH50R or the flexible handheld. So again, this is the box. And let's check the box. Let's unbox and check the quality of the light. So we'll test. So again, let's start unboxing. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least will be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. And shout out sa ating cameraman today na si Palaboy OFW. Check yung channel niya. Ayan. Let's start unboxing. Okay. And our box guys, you have your bag. Carrying bag. It's nice carrying bag. Stylish bag. Parang may laptop po. Pwede sa laptop 'to, eh, 'di ba?
Pwede.
Kasi laptop 'no, but your laptop will be square. Yeah. Okay. So no pouch by side. Okay. So this is the iconic color of Godox bags now. You have a silver lining, black color uh, material, and you have the orange ito, itong tali na yan, tawag dyan. So this is the light guys, and yeah, it's flexible. Yeah. You can flex, no? So you can make like this, yeah. And you have the quarter jack for your tripod mount, right? Tripod mount. The side, I believe this is the power. You have two yellow buttons, control buttons. You have modes and FN, so function, modes, and dim. So you have already dim, modes, and function. So yeah, but we will check it now, guys. Second, you have manual na huli. Okay, you have four pockets. One, two, three, four. Four pockets. So first one is the adapter. Okay, power adapter. Oh, okay, lang. Second is the power cords. Okay. Next, actually there's only three packets. So the third one is the uh, light stand holder. Yeah. So all you need to buy is the light stand and yeah. And what else? Lang. So it's no softbox. Okay, so this is what inside the box of this uh FH50R. And again guys, so this light is like a mini FL series of Godox, like FL 150, FL 100. Actually, this is the FL 100. Yeah, FL 150S. Okay. Again, you have also a softbox separate on this FH50R. We have the Godox FP50. So this is the softbox, guys. And easy to put. Yeah. So yeah, and yeah, easy to put. Just Velcro. There's a Velcro type. Okay, okay, and it's a Velcro only. Then you have a softbox, right? It's foldable and handy. So yeah, but hope there's a battery on this. Right? So we'll try to check the lights now, guys, and we'll try to power on. This is the light, guys. Yeah, we are in the RGB or HSI. We can control. Here you have again, you have two modes, and soft, and it's not hard light. It's very soft from the eyes. Again, You have the modes. If you want to check the modes, yeah, we have CCT. You can change your color from 10,000 Kelvin up to 2,500 Kelvin. If you go down to GM, and this is for the light. This is the effects or FX or effects. Yeah, SOS, light storm, and bulb mode, TV, candle, fire. Yeah, and you can even control the speed from 50 to 100 for the speed. Okay, modes again, Kelvin. Yeah, so hue and saturation. So from you can control, you can select the colors. Just yeah, selecting the colors from you. So this is the light, and this is the quality of the light, guys. So it's small, compact, and I think it's good for personal use. Yeah. And even you can use this to your as your main light. So for streaming, I think this is good. Yeah, if you have small space, table type lights, then I think it's nice. Yeah. So this is the light, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this light, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. I think the price is around 79.80 dinar, but double check to our website without the stand, of course. And yeah, this is the light and the RGB light. So you can use as your main light or a backlight. At hanggang dito na lang, guys. Next time, Pulaboy OFW sa camera. Ganyan mo, bay. Makita ka, bay. Yeah. Okay? And, yun, si Tiki.
Okay, wave, wave.
Say cheese. Say papa. Thank you and mabuhay.